Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how you can create subfolder inside a record folder in Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM extension. If I open the setting page and check the folder structure, this is where we define the naming convention for the folders. From here, you can also decide whether you want to create subfolders or not. Let me change the folder structure. I will press Shift and 3 on my Windows computer to select a field. First, I will select first name. Then I will press Shift and 3 again and select last name. You can also create subfolders. I will create one subfolder and name it Inbox. Then I will add another subfolder and name it Invoices. Inside Invoices, I will add another subfolder named 2024. Then I will press Shift and 3 again and select Last Name. Now I will click Save. Click Agree. Now, if I go to the Leads module and create a new lead, the extension will create the folder structure automatically. I will create a new lead now. For the last name, I will enter Test Last Name. For the first name, I will enter Mahadi. Then I will click Save. Now, if I go to OneDrive, I should see a new folder created with the first name and last name. Inside that folder, I should see the two subfolders we created earlier. Inside the Invoices folder, I should also see another subfolder with the year and the last name. This is how the folder structure works. Now, if I come back to the CRM record and click on Easy OneDrive, I can see the related list widget. Here, you can see the Inbox and Invoices folders, just like the folder structure we set up in the extension settings.